Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into an exciting way to make money online by working as a virtual call center agent. Imagine earning an income while working comfortably from home or anywhere in the world. Sound interesting? Let's get started. Virtual call center roles are perfect for people looking to earn money remotely by providing customer support, technical assistance, or sales help. Plus, no fancy equipment is needed. Just your computer, headset, and internet connection. 1. What is a virtual call center? A virtual call center is a customer support hub where agents work remotely instead of in a physical office. Companies hire agents to handle calls, chats, or emails for customer service, sales, or troubleshooting. Types of roles: customer service representative, technical support agent, sales representative, chat support, or email support. Highlight flexibility. You can work part-time or full-time, and even choose shifts that fit your schedule. Perfect for parents, students, or anyone seeking extra income. Why virtual call center jobs are in demand. Growing remote work trend. With more businesses transitioning online, companies are increasingly outsourcing customer support roles to remote workers. It's a win-win for businesses and employees. Benefits for you: work from anywhere, save on commuting costs, flexible schedules, opportunity for career growth. What you need to get started. Basic requirements: 1 computer or laptop, updated operating system. 2 reliable internet connection, high speed is essential. 3 USB headset with microphone, for clear communication. 4 quiet workspace. Skills required: strong communication skills, problem-solving abilities, basic computer literacy, patience and empathy. Real-life example: meet Sarah. She's a stay-at-home mom who wanted to contribute financially. She signed up as a virtual call center agent for an e-commerce company, working 4-hour evening shifts. Within a month, she was earning $1,200 extra every month. Where to find virtual call center jobs? Legitimate platforms: 1 Amazon customer service jobs, 2 LiveOps, 3 Alorica at Home, 4 Working Solutions, 5 Arise Virtual Solutions, 6 Outplex. How to apply? Most platforms have easy-to-use application portals. Update your resume to highlight your communication skills and any prior customer service experience. Tips for success: practice mock calls before interviews. Be prepared for a short training period. Deliver stellar performance for more hours or better-paying gigs. How much you can earn. Average pay. Virtual call center agents typically earn $10–25 per hour, depending on the company, role, and your experience. Example: John, a college student, works 20 hours a week for a virtual call center, earning $15 per hour. That's an extra $1,200 a month, enough to cover tuition and personal expenses.